What's up guys, Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2010 BMW K1300 GT. This bike is in insanely good shape, guys. It does have some scuffs here on the top bags, if you can see those. Not a giant deal. It's got this back rack. Tires are in insanely good shape. They are Michelin's. This bike is in really good shape. It's got a scuff there, if you can see that. It's got an aftermarket exhaust. This is all in really good shape. Scuff right there on that front fender. This is all in really good shape. Tank's in really good shape. The side bag's in really good shape. You do have a couple little light scuffs on there, but it's all in really good shape. Scuff right there. This beast has 43,558 miles on it. Now for the shape that this thing is in, this is in insanely good shape for those miles. I mean, just absolutely insane. I mean, fires up right away. This bike just runs insanely good for the miles. It does have Michelin Pilot on the front as well, which is in insanely good shape. Guys, like I said, 2010 BMW K1300 GT. The guys that buy these bikes do ride them, but they also maintain them extremely well. This bike is in insanely good shape for the miles. It's going to be super cheap, guys. Let me know if it's something you're interested in. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.